Got another Toolbox tour. This is my home box in my home shop. Up top we got snap-on blowgun. Got just a US General magnet tray. Some safety glasses, just a cheapo light that I got for Christmas one year. Got a level up there. Got a puck light, just a Rule King pin light. Some Craftsman ratchet wrenches, not the best. Some random pins and things over there. A wrench for my grinder. Sockets, just random miscellaneous Craftsman. There's a snap-on one there. Got half, 12 points. Got 3/8, deep and shallow. Got another set of shallow here. This is all standard. Just a pieced together 1/4 inch set that's not even complete. Got a plethora of 1/4 inch shallow sockets, a couple universal swivels, some, I think these are Lyle impact sockets, snap-on pry bars. These are just small screwdrivers over here. These are like nut driver. I got a snap-on 80 tooth locking flex head ratchet, some real cheap 1/4 inch ratchets, Cornwell 1/2 inch. Got it from my snap-on, it was used. Don't like it, honestly. It's not long enough and it's too long at the same time. It's not my favorite and it's pretty coarse tooth. Got some Blue Point oil filter wrenches, random miscellaneous sockets back here, a bunch of Craftsman. These are all Pittsburgh from I think 10 to 32, I think. Yeah, 32. And then these are all Craftsman, just pieced together, metric sockets. Got some adapters down there. Some cheap Torx, some tap sockets. Don't even have taps here, don't know why I have them. Got some spark plug sockets down here. Some tape measures over there. Again, all pieced together, cheap junk, to be honest. Got standard wrenches from 1/4 to, I don't know what this is, 1 1/16. They're all just pieced together, adjustable. Some old style Craftsman ratchet wrenches. These over here are metric from 6 to 18. Got some crow's foot, a little bitty adjustable. Had to cut this one down to put rear shocks on a Dodge pickup. That was kind of a pain in the ass. A couple line wrenches. Got some double open end wrenches here. Again, these are all, I'm hoping to bring some wrenches from work after I replace them home. Pliers. Got some snap-on side cuts, needle nose, some adjustables, a whole plethora of channel lock slip joints. Got a couple vice grips in here. This cheap little saw, C-clamps, scissors. This is like square screwdrivers. Got some punches and chisels. That's a nut driver set. That's a nut driver set. This is just like Menards, like screwdrivers. Got some small files back there. More random screwdrivers. Got some snap-on spring tools. This is a Blue Point seal puller. Got a snap-on screwdriver there. And these are like screw holders. So you put your screw in there. You can start it. This Pittsburgh transfer pump. Use that to suck like old fuel out of small like lawn mowers or tillers or stuff like that. Will King floodlight. These are snap-on precision screwdrivers. Kind of pretty handy. That's an old flywheel turner. Bunch of random Allen keys underneath there. Got a snap-on air chuck. This is an old adjustable wrench. Don't ever use that. This is an older digital half-inch. Tech angle. It's all right. I'd like to upgrade to the new one. Big C clamp. That's a King brand brake flaring tool. Little inspection mirror, a couple little knives. This is actually a carpet knife. Some Dremel cutoff wheels. This is all extra parts and things. I picked these up off the Cornwell truck for whenever they had the flyer one month. They were on sale. Torque set. Pretty nice. And then we got the quarter driver. These two are the brushless version. I got the fuel version at work. So you got the 1/4-inch driver, you got the brushless drill, we got a Blue Point air drill. Don't ever use that anymore. Got a Milwaukee flashlight, got the Big Dog fuel 1/2-inch. I just got some little 2.0 batteries for at home, which is fine. Got some wire brushes, 14.4 battery charger. Don't know why that's here. Don't even have 14.4 tools here. This is like a little engraver stud finder. Got a outlet plug tester, pretty much another same thing. Milwaukee bits, Dremel bits, some drill bits. Them actually ain't too bad. $104-piece Craftsman socket set. Use that quite a bit here at home. It's not bad. Got the fuel grinder, just a bunch of hammers. It's like a big metal wedge down there. There's a body hammer down there. I'm not gonna lie, I don't know where half of this stuff came from. I just got it secondhand, like all these sockets. Came from like an auction from whenever I was like probably 15. And up here we just got a fuel sawzall, hammer, level. Got a Daytona 3-ton jack, Performance Tools creeper seat. Down there we got Milwaukee grease gun. That's a big Craftsman miter saw. 3-ton Daytona jack stands. This is actually a Milwaukee breakout bit set, which is pretty nice. That's pretty much it for here. I got a associated battery charger. Thing's pretty sweet. Got that off the Snap-on truck. Got a little air compressor. Got a big Snap-on 60-gallon air compressor, which is pretty nice. That's a GM Performance parts creeper. I don't really care for it, to be honest. But yeah, other than that, that's pretty much it for my home box. Hopefully we'll do a tour of my work box. I got a lot nicer stuff in there than I do here, which you guys seen on my tool cart tour. That was just a little bit of what I have at work. And I just recently got a side box for my 54-inch Master Series a couple weeks ago, so hopefully we can do that one of these days. All right, well, peace out. Till the next one.